Hi guys, my name is Jairo and this is Hablando in Crypto. Today I'd like to talk with you about Ethereum. Ethereum was designed in 2014 by Vitalik Buterin. The first two things that we are going to find in Ethereum are going to be the dApps that basically are applications from a decentralized manner point of view. And the other thing that we're going to find in Ethereum are going to be the smart contracts. Smart contracts are basically paragraphs or lines of code that are going to be activated once time that we are going to give them the order. Um, why Ethereum was designed? For which purpose was designed? Was designed because right now, every time that we are using the internet that we're using, like users, it has three main issues. The first one is the censorship. The second one is the fraud. And the third one are the interferences that we are going to find every time that we're going to use it. So if we want to create a better internet or a better version of the internet that we are using right now, we need to remove these three things and get the freedom using the real system of how we could understand internet right now. How Ethereum is going to work? Well, basically, if let me think for a moment. Imagine for a second Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is going to be like an app. Thanks to that, we are going to exchange wealth globally from a decentralized manner. So with Ethereum, that we are going to do is basically we are going to do the same one that we can do with Bitcoin, but in Ethereum we are going to have like a Play or like an Apple Store. So basically, it's going to be another platform in which one we are not going to find only an application only for exchange wealth globally from a decentralized manner like we are going to do with Bitcoin. That is very cool. But with Ethereum, we're going to find another kind of dApps, multiple dApps that are going to be very very useful in the future. Um, the last thing that I want to share with you is the way that you are going to mine Ethereum. The way that you are going to mine Ethereum is going to be basically the same one that I explained you in the last video about Bitcoin. So it's going to be in proof of work. So every time that you are going to get a new Ethereum, basically it's going to be thanks that the miners are going to emerge a new block. I mean, they are going to put another block in the system. And if you want to mine Ethereum like Bitcoin, the only thing that you have to do is just take your system. Um, you are going to put of work this system in a pool of miners. I think that is the name. Yeah. But right now, I'm not going to recommend you that because it's a totally and a waste. And it's a totally waste of energy and of your own resources. Maybe 8 years ago or 7.5 years ago was profitable, but right now it's not profitable at all. And I think that's it. That's all. It's basically Ethereum in 4 minutes. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you could have fun with it. See you next time, guys. Ciao.